Imagine a road so quiet you can hear your own heartbeat, until a sound tears through the silence that changes everything. A 12-cylinder scream echoing off canyon walls, a shape so rare that most enthusiasts will never see one in their lifetime. This is the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale, and what you're about to witness might be the closest thing to automotive art ever built for the road. Stay with me until the end, because what this car does in its final seconds on screen will leave you speechless. From the very first glance, the 33 Stradale doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. The butterfly doors rise like wings preparing for flight, and the sculpted carbon fiber body seems to breathe with every curve. This isn't a car chasing trends. It's a tribute to 1967, reborn with modern aggression. The narrow front end, the flowing haunches, the way sunlight slides across its panels like liquid metal, every angle screams exclusivity. Only 33 units exist worldwide, and when this car rolls past you on the street, people don't just look, they freeze. Step inside, and the emotion only deepens. The cabin feels handcrafted, almost sacred, wrapped in alcantara and leather stitched with obsessive precision. Every switch, every dial feels deliberate, engineered not just for function but for feeling. The driving position hugs you tight, like the car itself is warning you, hold on, because what comes next will change your definition of speed. And then comes the moment everyone's been waiting for. Underneath that sculpted body lies a screaming 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, producing over 620 horsepower, capable of launching this machine from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. But numbers alone don't capture it, it's the sound, the vibration through the seat, the way the entire car seems to inhale before every gear shift. This isn't just an engine. It's a heartbeat forged in Italian passion. Now, for those wondering about practicality, yes, even a masterpiece like this has real-world numbers. Fuel efficiency sits around 7 to 8 kilometers per liter in mixed driving, which, considering the performance on tap, is more than reasonable for a car built purely for emotion rather than economy. But raw power means nothing without control, and this is where Alfa Romeo's engineering brilliance truly shines. The suspension system is tuned to perfection, balancing razor-sharp handling with genuine ride comfort. Every bump, every corner is absorbed with a confidence that makes you feel like the road was built specifically for this car. It doesn't just drive, it dances. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. Despite its track-focused DNA, the 33 Stradale integrates a reinforced carbon monocoque chassis, advanced traction control, and modern crash protection systems, ensuring that this Italian masterpiece protects you as fiercely as it thrills you. Inside, technology blends seamlessly with heritage. A minimalist digital display, smart drive mode selectors, and precision-tuned electronics give you full control without ever distracting from the raw analog emotion this car was designed to deliver. It's proof that innovation and passion can coexist perfectly. Now let's talk about the price, because with only 33 units built, exclusivity comes at a serious cost. Estimates place the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale well above $1.5 million, and every single unit was reportedly sold before production even began. This isn't just a car. It's a collector's dream, a rolling piece of automotive history. So here's the final verdict. The Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale isn't built to compete with supercars, it's built to remind the world what pure passion looks like on 4 wheels. It's rare, it's emotional, and it's unforgettable. If this video gave you chills, don't scroll past without dropping a comment below. Tell me if you'd choose passion over practicality. And remember, if you skip this video, you might just miss the one car story that changes how you see automotive history forever. Subscribe to VELOCE Drive, because the next reveal might be even more unbelievable than this one.